Hello and welcome to an especially Christmassy edition of this channel that has no name. The only thing Christmassy being this hat. But in true spirit of this time of year in the southern hemisphere, today's 26 degrees, so I'm going to be taking this off. But Merry Christmas all the same. That was bloody weird, wasn't it? Today I have something interesting for you on the iMac G5. We're going to be trying an unofficial release of Mac OS X 10.5.9. I mean, okay, it's called Sorbet Leopard, as in the frozen treat. I know this isn't exactly new, and it's been doing the rounds on Reddit and Macintosh Garden and everything like that recently. However, it does make some pretty bold claims, such as better performance than Tiger and Leopard. It also boasts PowerPC optimized code. I don't know what the difference between that and the official releases of just the normal PowerPC Leopard and Tiger are. It also says that there are a few features transported straight from 10.6 Snow Leopard into this distribution, so it'll be interesting to try those out. Apparently the boot times, graphics performance, network performance are all improved, and it does recommend that you use flash storage, which is what I'm using in this machine now. If you haven't seen my video of installing the SSD on this thing, go and check that out if you like. So I guess we'll just get right into it. I'm currently booted into 10.5.8 Leopard with all the patches, all of the updates installed. So I have the zip file on the desktop here and I'm just going to extract it. I'm assuming that's going to give us a DMG image. No mountable file systems. Okay, I kind of figured something like that might happen. So what I've gathered is that you're supposed to restore it onto a partition of your hard drive. So I guess what I'll try and do is add a new partition onto the SSD. 35 gigs, there we go. Sorbet Leopard. Also, if you're wondering why I just point the camera at the screen, it's because you've got to actually pay for recording software. I haven't to date been able to find any free recording software for PowerPC, so if people start watching these videos, I will buy one immediately. So Disk Utility's finished partitioning here, and what I'm going to do then is click on Leopard SSD, hit restore, source from image here on the image button, and then just sorbetleopard.dmg, what we downloaded. Destination, obviously, wherever the partition's gone. Can you guys see what's going on, or is that just me? Sorry, Disk Utility's being weird. There we go, it's come up again. Okay, there we go, Sorbet Leopard. And I'll go Sorbet Leopard, hit restore, like we were going to. Destination's obviously going to be the drive, and that source, the Sorbet Leopard DMG. And in theory, this will give us a bootable partition of Sorbet Leopard. I'll hit erase destination and click restore, and I shall be back when that's done, because it's going to take quite a while. And let's see if I can remember my password to this thing. I can. Wonderful. Oh, restore failure. The source image needs to be image scanned, scan for restore. Is this because I skipped the disk checks? Try it again. I'll not skip the disk check this time. Okay, it has actually mounted, and that appears to be an actual root drive of a Macintosh hard drive. So let's just try and restore again, shall we, and see if that actually works. This time we'll drag the actual mounted image to the image source, and I guess that doesn't want to work. Oh, seriously. Alright, we'll try the DMG again then, I guess. Yeah, right, cool. Resource temporarily unavailable. Alright folks, so Disk Utility is being useless, so I've gone onto my server and I'm copying across Carbon Copy Cloner, and we're going to try that. This is a Mac staple, it's been going for years, and I'm sure many of you guys know about it. So Sorbet Leopard is still well and truly there, ready to go, and we'll just accept that. Welcome, welcome, no need for a quick start. Source, Sorbet Leopard, the disk image. Destination, Sorbet Leopard, the SSD partition. Alright, clone. Do it. Where Disk Utility has failed. I've always said that Disk Utility is utter trash, and it's only got worse. Alright, let's see how we go. Okay, so that's the clone finished. It took 1 hour and 6 minutes. And in case you're wondering, yes, the lighting, it's very dark outside. It's several hours later. So without further ado, I'm just gonna restart. So we have success, and we have Sorbet Leopard there in the middle. So I'm going to press enter on that, and for some reason, yeah, the fans are really loud. Not sure why that is. It does calm down when you go into an operating system though. Is it going to boot into a setup process, or maybe just a desktop, or I don't know, we'll have to see. Ooh, this is a custom wallpaper. Oh, bizarre. So it's booted straight into a desktop. It's asking me to identify the keyboard, which I'm not going to do. And we've got keeping your Power Mac safe, Mac OS X hardening tips, and then welcome to Sorbet Leopard, so I assume that's all around security. And if we go to Apple, about this Mac, we've got version 10.5.9, which does not exist if you ask Apple. By default, we've got the WebKit browser. Let me just connect to the internet. I want to see if all the updates are applied. So far, and I don't know if this is a placebo or not, but it does feel a good deal faster. Yeah, that is definitely faster than just the standard install. Okay, so the software's up to date, which is what I expected. I'm also just going to quickly go into Utilities and Activity Monitor and see how we're looking in here. System memory, free. Most of it's free, that's pretty cool. CPU usage, nice and low, I guess. Also, I believe that is the Snow Leopard font in the menu bar there. I reckon if I go into the desktop wallpapers, what are we going to have? Yes, we've got all manner of wallpapers. Oh, doesn't that look cool, guys? That could pass for Lion, honestly. So I've been playing with this for probably half an hour now, and I don't think it is a placebo. It is noticeably faster. For example, here I've got a couple of tabs open in the WebKit browser. I've got the old Reddit on the PowerPC sub there, and the scrolling is so much faster than it is on just the standard Leopard install. I mean, this is smooth. I know it's no huge feat because it's the old, more HTML reliant version of this website, but even using this view on the old install, it was pretty slow. I'm just going to try and go to the new Reddit just out of interest and see how we go, because I do genuinely think that web browsing is faster. That also works pretty well. We've got a few weird rendering problems here, but that's to be expected. It is definitely faster, guys. I'm actually really excited to use this. Oh man, this is cool. And I've also in this tab got a little YouTube video loaded, and it works.
PowerPC was made in 2005.
Check that out.
And that is a quad power.
The audio is in sync and everything. It's only playing at 360p, and that's just a video there of someone saying how PowerPCs are dead and you can't use them anymore. But this is a semi-modern website. I know it's mainly text and there's very, very little fluff. But it scrolls, it's smooth, and you can use it. And I don't think we'd be having as good an experience on the old Leopard install. Another thing I wanted to show you guys, let me see if I can find it, iMovie. On standard Leopard, I was able to record using the iSight camera. It was okay, but it wasn't great. And there's definitely an improvement in this version. Gotta say, it's pretty smooth, and I have recorded a couple of videos, and they came out okay. I've no idea why we're experiencing better performance here, but I'm assuming it's due to all those under-the-hood improvements, which someone more technical will be able to advise me on. So that's just a quick demo for now. You'll have to excuse this absolutely atrocious lighting, guys. It's very dark out there, the camera is not very good, and we've got this horrible ring light going. Let's see if I can... oh, who knows. I've been using macOS for the best part of 15 years. I like to think that experience counts for something, and it would maybe allow me to notice when it is running faster, which I think it is. Visually, so far, all I've noticed is new fonts, new wallpapers, and the option to theme the thing. There is definitely a lower idle CPU use, and also more RAM available. So I'm going to use this for a couple more days, get a proper feel for it, and report back to you guys. But so far, I'm pretty impressed. What an easy OS install, for one. Just restore the disk image. Another thing which is pretty useful is it's got the High Sierra, or is it Sierra, maybe? Security certificates installed by default, which is very handy. Obviously you don't want to be doing anything sensitive on these machines like online banking or logging into maybe even your Facebook or that sort of thing. But in the very short time that I've been using it for general web browsing, I've been quite impressed. So my thoughts so far, pretty positive. I'm not really sure what I was expecting, and I know that I'm not going to be able to feel the full benefits of this unofficial release in the first 30-40 minutes. Hence why I'll use it for a few days and then report back to you guys. So that's it for now. I'm not sure if there'll be another video this year, and if not, Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, hope you get some time off work. Alright, that's it for now. I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.